Hola, Kuku. Hey, you.
Bola.
This is Abi.
We go to Vutu. We go to collect Vutu.
Collect Vutu. Bula. And welcome back, people, to another episode of life in the village as a village kid. Navi, where's Navi? Where's Navi? Who? Where's Navi? Good. Oi. And we are on the way again to the jungle to collect another nut. Not the Tahitian chestnut, but the Vutu. I don't know the name in English. I'll have to figure that out later. But we are on the way now. And Vutu is something you can just collect, cut it open and eat. You don't have to cook it like the Tahitian chestnut. It's a very popular kind of snack here in the village. Very healthy, very nutritious and good. Everybody enjoys it, adults and kids. Good you brought the machete, leg. And in the chestnut episode, Sobedi shows us the Vutu. When we came to our old village, Nasi River, there were a lot of Vutu tree and there were a lot on the ground. So they said to come back this week and collect it. So let's see if they're still there or some villagers has already been there. We don't know, but let's see. That is the chief of the village. Kanai.
Bula.
The chief.
Don't mira.
Bula. Andra.
Good morning. Why did my camera speak?
Yeah, okay. This one will Vutu. Okay, thank you, Kuku. What?
That is the avocado tree, the mountain. When Asa coming to the village, you can climb that mountain. This is the avocado tree.
Avocado
When Asa wake up in the morning, we come here and pick some avocado.
Okay.
The water big.
Yeah.
We run up.
The hills.
Yeah.
Are they? And that is the avocado tree. And I must say, the avocados here in Fiji are a little bit different than back in Denmark. These are huge, and we call them pear in here.
Yeah, pear.
And now we are on the way up to where we're gonna Vutu, as they say, collect the Vutu, the nut. I don't know what kind of nut it is, but it is a nut. So let's go and follow Kuku.
Let's go follow the little Kukuna Ulpodi. Kuku can climb it.
Oh, Kuku, you're going that way. Oh Lord. Look at this strong kid. Oh, how the hell did he do this? Okay, let's see. Okay, we did. Look at this, people. The way they go in order to get the Vutu. Okay, break.
Have a rest.
And this is the last week of Api in the village. And he's going back to Nanji. When Api? Saturday.
Yeah.
You're gonna miss the village.
Yeah.
You wanna stay? Let's go. And now we move on and see if there's any Vutu tree or Vutus left where we are going. Whew, got on a John. Let's go, Kuku.
Walk faster, walk faster.
Kuku's fast. Whew. I don't know if I can keep up with these kids. God damn. Thank you, Kuku.
Good.
Good. Ibi Vutu. And we have the older kids. The coolest guy always arrive later. That's what we see. Look.
We are who you are.
Hey, how's it, boys? Good. Other?
Yeah.
Hard?
Yeah.
Tough?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree too.
This is where you train. Those are Kavalang. Come and train here. Don't train on the gym.
Oi, who's the Kavalang?
All what?
Oi, all what?
Yeah.
So, say to them, all the Kavalangs.
All the Kavalangs. Come here and train. You gonna kana.
And people, this is harder than I thought. I'm starting to regret saying yes to this. Holy moly. And in this heat, I'm sweating so much. Ooh, look. Even the kids can feel it. And they're even in better shape than I am. So imagine. Jesus Christ. We're almost there to our old village where our forefathers planted all this Vutu tree, so we today can enjoy it. Look, gotta watch out for Momosolas Yangana. Okay, on we go. And now we have arrived to the Vutu trees. A few of them here. Let's go. Sang Vutu? No Vutu. Oh no. This is not good. No Vutus here. Where should we go? Go down. Okay. There's no Vutu here, so we're gonna try and go somewhere else. Oh, they found a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. A little bit, not much, but let's go to the next spot.
Taste. Taste manta. Taste manta. It's not cooking. Cut nga it. Oh.
Cut nga it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But not many Vutus here.
Yeah. Many Vutus stay down there.
Yeah, we go down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Taura gonna taste Vutu. He want to taste and come here. You Kavalang, you want to taste, come here.
Come here to the
Yeah.
village.
You gonna taste the nganga. Taste manta. Good. Good. Another. Good. Yeah. Taste again.
Good.
Cut. Let me taste it. Hey, wanna kill? Go and pick your Vutu menu. Tulang mo ito. Nabuto lang gar tulang mo. Tulang ito. We're gonna go that side. We're gonna be climb the Vutu tree.
Okay.
Go that side, another Vutu.
Set.
Okay, let's go.
How does it taste?
Go.
Good.
Good.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go to this Vutu tree up here and see if we can find some Vutu. Holy moly, steep hill. Yeah, this is the village shampoo. Be careful, be careful, be careful.
We found a Vutu.
Vutu there.
We found a Vutu. Yeah. Mura. Yeah. We found a Vutu. Yeah.
Vutu.
We pick the Vutu, go to the village, and we eat. We cut, and we eat it. Oh, Taura, come and see this. Gera.
Oh, many here, eh?
Gera, yeah, many.
Look,
Many. Nobody picks, eh? I said nobody picks you.
look here.
Mamura, look this.
My
Many.
Gera.
We're gonna taste it in a color. Yeah, not taste in here. In a color.
Go to Kuku. Good. Mainum. Iyo.
Iyo, tulong sana mulu manok. Kenapa nih? Nobody punch anybody. Yeah. Hey, where's my knife? What's they called? Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yeah,
This is
teamwork.
teamwork, eh?
Teamwork.
Yeah.
No fight if you will quit us. You quit us.
Hey, you also have to Tommy, man.
I get.
Yeah, good. Go. Okay, people, you can see here they're collecting all the nuts, all the Vutu. And Kuku, how many you've collected?
Good.
Good. One. Go here.
Good.
You have one more.
Look.
Oh, plenty, eh?
Yeah.
Remember to give some to Kuku. He's
No.
small, eh?
No. You find your Vutu man.
What is that? Can I see?
Yeah, teamwork. No.
Good. Oh, good.
Good.
Okay. We go find some more Vutu.
Hey, this way.
Where? This way. Oh, you go that way.
No, wait. To finish here.
Yeah, finish. Yang garut juga sel. Look.
We are gonna be going. Hey, good.
Good, huh? Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah, here. Here, Kuku. Good. Good job.
This is Tanoa. You see, double Vutu.
Oh, double Vutu in one.
Yeah. See, one here and another here. Yeah. You want Vutu? Come in Nabuti.
Double Vutu, twin Vutu.
Yo. Yeah.
Oh.
Come here and pick a Vutu and go into the village. You pick only Vutu. Not come and us pick it. You give us money.
Earn some money, eh?
Yeah. You give us the money and us pick your Vutu.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Another side.
Come, Kuku. Another side. Okay, we're gonna go to another spot and find some more Vutu. But it tastes good, nutritious, healthy. Good for chaser when you drink grog. Okay, Tolak.
Okay. We
Okay.
go back here because the way there is all
The dos.
the
Yeah.
are growing.
Oi.
When you step like this, you're gonna step the snake. It's gonna bite your leg and you cry. Yeah, I don't like.
Okay, let's go.
Go back to the village. No, I don't want to go back to the village. Come on.
So this one good, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we go.
Hey, Ruben.
Hey, Rubes find plenty, eh?
Ruben, sila bu? Ya, cuma itu orang kata.
Oi. Oh, these guys are just gonna pick up some more. Some more still there. Look. Man, they are better looking, eh?
Yeah. Sis, kod.
Good. Yeah, good. Good. Thank you, Kuku. Okay, good.
Goodbye.
So Rubes, what do you do? You eat it? Can you also do something else with Vutu?
Yeah, cook.
Cook?
Yeah.
Oi, cook
Not cook. Yeah, cook and you eat.
with
You cut and cook, so you cut and eat.
when you cook, is it strong or
Not strong.
not strong?
Yeah, it's like not good.
Oi, not dangurus.
Yeah.
Or not crunchy? Oi.
Danda.
Which one is best? Crunchy dangurus cook?
Two.
Huh? Roro, too. Oi. And you just cook it in hot water?
Yes.
Oi. Oi, okay. So people, you can both cook it and eat it raw. But they say both are best.
That's so big.
Oh, more here. Ooh. More here.
More here.
More here. I keep this one for Kuku. Yeah, you keep that one. I keep one for Kuku.
No, two here.
Oh, yeah, mate. Okay. Oi. Ah.
You together.
Ah. Say level chico. Oh, more there.
More here.
More there. Why? More here. Man, they are too fast, the other guys, eh? Oh. Plenty, eh?
See, one
Oh,
here.
one there. Yeah, good.
Whoa!
Oh, where? Some more here.
Yeah, more here.
More there.
More.
Here.
More.
So, go, Mikey, go.
More here.
Open your bag. It's so this.
Coco, come.
Wait. Come here. More here.
I want to stay here.
Vutu, many here, eh?
Many.
Plenty. Oh, more here. Mai. Open. I'll help you. Good. You open your bag, Kuku. I have for you too. Come open.
Oh, Mama, open. Stay here.
Oh, many there.
Many.
Okay, there.
Tapi please go. It's come.
Yo.
Look. Stay here.
Woo. Good, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Stay here.
This one is good or bad?
Yeah, good.
Good. Mai,
Yeah.
open.
They don't them. See.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Put in your bag.
See.
One for go here.
So. One for you.
This good rule too.
Yeah.
Good. Mai, open.
Everyone good.
And there too. There. Yeah, that one. Good.
See.
Woo. Plenty.
See.
Woo. Many.
Yeah, it's not like a...
They don't look
like
man.
a boy.
Ew.
Yeah, girl. Her eyes good.
Good. Go give one to so.
Yeah.
My open. Sorry. Because you big kids, eh?
Yeah.
You know how to
Good. Give that small kid is not good, eh?
Yeah, not good to look well, eh?
Yeah.
Many.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. Good here. Good.
So many.
So many. We have to just remove the grass, eh? And then you can see.
That knife is not here. No.
Yo, labor. We do it when. No, better.
No.
Okay,
Oh, that boot is big.
we go. Oh, we sit. Wait. Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good at this.
Woo, good, huh? And people, that's how we do it. You know? Yeah, good.
Okay, good.
There is plenty of Vutu here, and Abby is like, Abby, you're not happy.
I'm happy.
But too many now.
God created the earth to be earth.
Yo, this guy, I'm sure gonna miss him when he go back to Najis, that's for sure. He's so good in front of camera, not camera shy, and he always has something up in his sleeve, you know, always joking. He's really good.
Let's check.
Oh! Hey, watch out, man. Woo! Vutus. Okay, we check here.
Yeah.
Okay, come, we check. Okay, Ruben, let's go.
Let's go.
Lau mai kuni kaji, lau mai kuni putisa. Lau mai. Gor. Good job. Oh, that's too light, too small.
Too big, yeah, look.
Look, oh, see, you give it to
Only
Kuku.
one,
Kuku,
only one.
take this. Good. We help each other, eh?
Yeah. Kuku, you too big. Oh.
No, he pick, but you guys help him too.
Because he small boy.
Oh, he's a baby. Yo.
He's a baby from Aso. Yeah, from village.
Yeah,
From village. Small boy.
he is small boy.
Small boy and Kava.
Bila kang piling ah.
Like
Oh, Vutu's not here.
Yeah.
Okay, we go. Kuku, come. We
Go
go.
back.
We go.
We go back in the village.
Yeah, we go. Go back to the village.
We climb the mountain.
Oh, no. We
Yeah,
go. We'll Vutu, man.
Yeah, that was to see that. You video.
We go on Vutu and then we go to Nasubuki. Yeah.
And
Yes.
ice bath.
Ice bath.
Hey you.
Yeah.
Hey you. Nam.
Yes.
Don't nam.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey you.
Yo, go bit of the bag. Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Yeah, it's a bag. It's a cat.
Oh, Vilau, have to watch out, eh?
Yeah, watch out for a moment. See.
Hey,
You touch 1, 2.
oi. I thought something went wrong, but he's okay. He's okay. Remember, nobody's hurt from this video.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you quit, hurt, and put the again from the
Oh, hey, you can't say that. The Kavalang is watching.
Oh yeah. No, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not gonna beat that.
It's not true story, eh?
Yeah, it's not true story. Let's go. Let's say so. Let's go.
Good. And people know I'm not gonna do that. That's for sure. Okay, let's go to another Vutu tree. Okay, people, something I don't miss coming to the jungle is the mosquito. Oh man, they are so goddamn annoying. Okay, where?
Us are gonna plant this Vutu tree. Look at the Vutu. Us pick it.
Woo, ow.
Pick it. Yeah.
Pick it.
The Vutu, yeah. Today I'm gonna climb the Vutu. And us pick it, then we wash to wash the tang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look. We can put it the tang. Look.
Oh, okay. They're climbing the tree now.
Yeah.
People, they're climbing the tree now. And you can look, all these trees here are all Vutu trees. Planted by our forefathers. Whoa! That's the Vutu. And you cheer from there. You
I want to.
harvest it from there.
People want to cool.
Okay, bago. Woo! Thank you. Oi. Bini. And the name Buka is up in the tree with Ruben. And over here, in the other tree, we have Junior. Where is Junior? Woo! He's all the way up there. Wait, let me try and see. And people, I'm not gonna get up. Hey, John, you okay? Yes, sir. Oh, good. Okay.
Me, I'm gonna follow. Junior up.
Okay. What are you saying now?
That's Vutu's.
The Vutu's there.
Look at me.
Oi. Woo! Hey, be careful. I don't know why I feel scared for them, but
I'm gonna climb another Vutu tree.
Manga.
Yeah. Ruben, over here. No. I'm gonna take the Vutu. Yeah. Get the Papa.
Oh, hey!
Woo.
The Vutu is attacking us.
Okay.
Hey, woo! Whoa. I'm not gonna get hit by. Hey, look, may bango. We're gonna stay here in safety. Look. There's. Woo! Kuda. Oh, thank you. Kuda.
Hey, go back to Kalimika.
No. Yeah. Oh, hey! Oh, Navi got it one in his head. But he doesn't care. Look. He doesn't care.
Somebody clap Vutu tree and one stay down.
Yeah, we don't want to get it on our head.
Maura.
Woo. Oh, shit. Yeah, we don't want to get CTE at an early age. So, kids, watch out. We don't want you to get the hurt in your head. Kuku, come here. Don't stay there. Very dangerous. Good. You guys done? Finish. Oh, you're going down now. Okay, let's see what you guys have collected. Come. Okay, let's go. Gerra. Okay, when they say gerra, there's a lot of it. Where's the gerra? Oh, all this. Oh, no, I don't pick. Hey, they are blaming me for stealing. No. I don't. Okay, and over here we have like two places for Vutu gathering. And here we have Nabi. Yes, Nabi. No, still Setu. Red, I'm on. From the tree. Oh, this is the Vutu from the tree. Eh? Yes. Okay, thank you, Nabi. Hey, you can climb that one too.
Yeah.
Oi. Be careful, eh? Can you see the Vutus from here?
Yeah.
Oi.
You see my bag?
Oh, many, eh?
Yeah.
And you, Kuku, oh, you also have many. Good. Yeah.
You see my bag too?
Good.
Your bag is not.
Your bag is good too. You look tired.
Aunt.
You want to sit?
No.
Oi.
He want to climb.
You want to climb?
Yeah.
Oh no, very dangerous.
Good.
You're good.
Good. No, this is the Vutu.
This is the Vutu.
Yeah, Vutu, but the baby is big. You cut like this. It's too big. Two big one.
2 in 1.
Yeah, 2 in 1.
Oh, thank you. Okay, people, I think we're gonna just collect the Vutu here that we have they have harvested from the tree, and then we're gonna go back to the village, and hopefully one of them can show us how they cut the Vutu, but it's already seen.
You watch my.
Okay, I'll watch. Yes, but we're gonna go back to the village, and hopefully they can show more about how they cut the Vutu open, so we can eat it. Levi showed us how to do it, so hopefully one of the other guys can do it in the village. His kids wants to drink water, and I am the only one who brought water. So let's see here. Everybody wants to have some water. Oh, this one is a big one, eh? Hey, berarti gua taruh pemalu.
Hey, share.
Hey,
don't fight.
drink.
Hey, don't kumbu. I'm still gonna drink there.
Drink slowly. Pemalu.
Rota kuku.
Pemalu.
Smallest to biggest.
I said kuku. I said.
Nabi.
Okay, everybody can have their turn.
Wait, sampai patone. Nembuka. O vem cá, nembuka. Oh, patone. Gor. Don't waste water.
Hey, said.
Somebody.
Everybody is gonna have. And you said. Oh boy, this guy is very strong. Eh? This guy doesn't drink water.
If the water finish, you want to drink the water. The water is finished. I'm going to come up my boo. You can mamura. You can chef for mamura. Chef Trota. Oh, Junior.
No.
Chil.
Set. Sudah Junior.
Zoo. Aku sekamba.
Oi. Ha, saya kamatan. And Junior is not finished. Look. Man, this guy. Gudu, lago, gudu. Tolo, gori. Guda. Is there some more there?
I will climb this tree. Look.
Oh.
Take this one.
Okay, I got it. Woo. Man, these guys. Look at Soveti, strong fella. But Junior coming down, also strong fella.
Maura.
Oi, yeah, good. Yo. Woo.
I'm gonna climb this.
Good
job.
Yeah.
Look.
Woo. Hey. Hey, Kuku, lamai. Hey, Kuku, come here.
Don't cry.
Come here. Lamai. What lamai? Oh, Kuku got one in his head. See, that's what I'm talking about.
Lebih koyak. It's cry.
Cry. Hey, Billy Vutu, Kuku, talo. Okay, he's not hurt anymore. He overcame, guys. Good job, Kuku. Good job.
Maura.
Oh, yeah, that one's good. Hey, go, here's your bag.
Kuku. Ah!
Woo. Abi got hurt.
Kuku. Small kuku api. Stop.
Yeah, so hey, Kuku, watch out. There's too many. Kuku, tos may carry. Super.
Lako. Guys, kosan dunia, kosan sultan.
Siro. Kuku, tostan me bangko. Kuku is being Kava now. Plenty.
Yeah, plenty. Big and bite my leg.
Oi, ew. Ooh, look at this. Good. Yeah, lako iso lako. Karuna. Hey, watch out. These little guys, thirsty look. Come down, Soviet.
Yeah,
Come.
I'll go down. Kuku, mezu.
Ooh, hey. Yung. Okay, we have enough.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go.
We go back to the village.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
We are okay.
We're talking no.
Yeah? I said get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go to village.
Okay, let's go to the village. Hey, we go.
Good. Yes.
Good.
No.
We want to go down there. Woo! Oh, coba itu lagu sumpah.
No. Let's go back. Oh, ya, terus lalu tak. Coba you hard rock gini. But you from Lam Kasai.
Hey, what is it?
In the village.
Strong man. In city, not strong.
Yeah. He's in the ring.
Woo! Hey man, wait, Abi, what do you say about that?
Huh?
No, not true, eh? Not true. It's true. Good.
Yeah.
And this is Navits.
But this Samdao is Motorik.
This is Motorik.
You want to this is Big Vutu. You come and Labuti is big, like in India.
Woo!
You want to eat Vutu? You come here.
Hey,
We're gonna
Vutu you.
No.
Oi.
We're gonna cut you a Vutu and we give it to you. If you nganga, eat it. No, don't pancing.
Oi, just eat it, eh?
the city.
Iyo, Vosota.
Vosota nanga because we born of this.
That is so ngang.
Yeah, nganga, the big.
No, the big one, not one.
You want to taste? 10 kg.
Oh, this one is very big.
No.
Oh, this is very, very big. Almost big as Api's head.
No.
Taste, Manta.
You want to come? You want to eat? You come. In eat Vutu. You come in. What's in that tabutungan? But tabutu in big in. Oh, good.
The best, eh?
Yeah, the best.
Mm.
You eat and you don't come back. You eat too.
If you come back, I quit to go in your leg.
How does it taste, man?
Good. Sweet.
Good. Good.
Good.
Good.
Okay, we go. And namu, eh? Namu.
Lot of
Namu.
dengue.
Oh, dengue.
It's not that dengue. Most of mosquito. Oh, mosquito.
Mosquito coil.
That asalon. Not you.
What you say?
Yeah, I'm say from me.
No, you say. Want to go
I
to
said
the...
to you, not now.
No.
Do not fight. You and you. Put in and buy us.
What did the Api say? What did the Api say?
Happy said in the village. The guys want to come. The kids want to Vutu want to go to Nosubuki to Kulsik.
Woo! Api, you said that.
No,
You-
I'm not wrong.
He's calling the one boys go to
Yeah.
Ramban walk. He said you want to Muran. You want to Muran? Go to
So-
Kulsik.
Why?
Oh.
You two full of.
Hey. Oh, this guy do this one, eh?
Yeah, this guy,
No,
this.
this is the guy.
No, tell the Kimba and.
No,
Okay, we
this
go.
guy is
Is a
gory man. Gory. He's not strong man.
strong man in the village.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because this boy is Kava.
Oh, Ingava.
Happy and me. We are go back to Nancy. We are go back to Nancy ko.
Okay.
Oh, Nancy ko tunga.
Alam na uling kaptel nga.
Okay, we go.
Hustle. We go hustle.
Gel.
Gel.
Taste me.
Taste me. Gor, yeah. Oh, Gor. Slap it.
Slap.
Hey, bring to me.
Okay, we go. Nah, harus sih on tower. Go. Come.
You want to taste the food and cook and you eat drain molly.
Like to get in the Vutu.
Woo.
Ooh.
Arode. Tulakan. Okay, go.
Panatabu tu untuk akses kanyapi.
Okay, we're going back to the village now. That is Willy Boots for today.
Good. My stomach is empty. My stomach is
And now we're on the way back to the village, people. And hopefully we'll take a break at the mango tree like we did at the chestnut video, the Tahitian chestnut. So let's go, yalla. Ooh, strong boy. Go. Ako, Liu. Strong boy, yeah. Going.
That is
Iyo, iko dolem, berarti ko teman ko. Akan.
some people is
Lagan, liwan, kita lang galak.
some people take the Vutu.
Oi,
Take the bamboo.
take them.
Want to climb a finish. Yeah, you want to climb this bamboo.
And so with over there. They love this gel, eh?
Yeah.
Natural gel or shampoo, I don't know what it is. Look.
You from next for a village.
Yeah.
You in for other places is not like.
Oi, only for motoriki.
Yeah, only for Vutu.
Yeah. Oh, that one is big, yeah.
Yeah. I'm Bruno, that's me. Bruno.
Kuku is Bruno.
Okay, we go.
Ah!
Okay, we're gonna go and see. Hey! Oh! Kuku's having problems. Yep. Woo! Okay, let's see if I'm gonna have problems too. Hey!
Whoa!
Okay, wait.
And that's the other.
Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay, we are here at our resting place, the mango tree. So we're gonna rest here for a bit and then we're gonna move on to the village.
Look at that, look. It's nice.
See, want to book papa.
Look.
Why?
Gel.
Gel. That's a gel.
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna climb some mango. There's still a bit of mango left on this tree, apparently. Look gooder. You look gooder.
Siling sopo panawan kimbetsia.
Oh no. Hey, ngaron up. Oh no. Why am I always worried? Oh. Api.
Give to me.
Woo.
Api.
Enjoying some mangoes, eh? Ano mango manda? Kuda.
Kuda. We are going at the village.
So people, now we are finished resting.
This is a mango. A mango too. This is a mango too. You want to eat some mango too? You come in here. Look at that Vutu.
And let's go to the village. We are finished with our break. Go. Hey. Don't you.
Lu.
Okay, that was all you. Okay, people. Let's go. You can see here, it's pretty rough terrain, you know. Oh. And you can see Kuku, I'm helping him by holding his bag so he can be free all the way down. Look, why he's going that way, the hardest way. Come on. Go, Kuku. Take your time. Set. Oh. Okay, people. That's it. That's it, people. You can see Levi behind me. Carrying it like with ease. And now Kuku. Oh shit! Watch out! Okay, hey! To the side! Pitik to the side. Why we go? Okay, we're gonna go and have our well-deserved break, well-deserved cool shake after our hard work. Let's go. Hey, you guys tired?
Yeah.
Too much grog?
No.
Oh no! Walk. Let's walk. In the no.
Mura. Abi is grog the boy.
Oh, yeah, Abi.
Yeah. Hey, don't lie. My father punch your face.
Hey, his father's
Too want to punch you.
Yeah.
his father's gonna watch this, eh? You good boy, eh?
Yeah,
You
I'm a good boy.
Yeah. Okay, people, this is a new flavor, the blue one. Look, it's called blue bubble gum. It's with milk ice block. Let's taste it. It's good. Very sweet. A lot of sugar. How's it? How's the blue one?
Good.
Good.
Yes, good.
Good. How's it, Kuku?
Good.
Good. And you guys?
Tastes like ice cream.
It's the first time you taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Good.
Good. Good. Oh, good. Everything good.
This is the first time I taste the broccoli shake. First time.
This is
Everything good. So we're gonna enjoy this and then go back to the village. Okay, people, we are now back where we left our bags, and now it's time to carry it to the village. You can see the far distance too are already gone. And here's Kuku with his bag. Go, good boy. Hey. Okay, go.
Hey, be careful.
Be careful. Oh, take it good. Gor, toro benar. Gor, lagan. Yeah. See, Kuku, very strong kid, eh? All these village kids are strong. And here's Api. He's strong too. Strong too, big. Biggie Smalls Junior.
That is a Vutu.
That is the Vutungang. No good to eat.
No.
Okay, people, see you at home. We are arriving now to the village. And you can see Mr. Kase in the far distance. Over there. So sexy. Look. And now we're finally back at my place where I live and Kuku's house. Look, strong fella. Go on, Kuku, go on. Lakwani. Man, strong fella here. Gorsler Vinamachi. This is for you to bring back to Moala. The Vutu from Motori. Thank you, Kuku. Thank you.
Look this. This is purple. This is what call in nganga is
Spicy.
English.
Spicy.
Oi. This is spicy.
Oi.
And you eat like this. You don't throw it. You eat it.
You eat it.
Yeah.
Oi.
You taste man,
Taste man me.
Yeah, taste man.
Hey, no.
No, it's.
Hey, si Kuku say nangangatu.
This taste.
Taste.
Only pieces. Piece.
Is it poisonous?
No.
Oi. Ngangas. Ngangas. You want to try?
No.
Ngangas. How's it, Kuku? You ask your sisters to help you. Hey,
This. Good or not mature?
No, well, not mature. Oh, good.
Huh?
Okay, you go. Okay.
Tunco mo binaka.
Baka sir matua.
Good.
Okay. That's how we do it.
Yeah, this is how we do. Look. Inside.
Good or bad?
This is not mature.
Oh, you want matuas?
Yeah. This. Just throw it away.
Woo!
Yeah.
Eh? Matuas throw it away, Rubes?
No, not Matua, you take it.
Not matuas.
Matua, you call pa ko ito.
Oi, you only eat matuas?
Yeah.
Kata ben dum to sila mutatan kin.
Kalau mana saya lem kuku?
Mutatan kin. Mingon mo. Bitum ko ri kay may.
Bata ko ulit ka pa.
May sila ko.
Eh, nandito saya lang gori. The Vutu is very strong, eh?
My hand is burn.
Yeah. You hit your hand.
Nice, eh?
Fresh, eh?
Fresh with Coca-Cola 0 sugar.
Coco is going to bring me the
Big knife.
Big
Yeah.
knife.
Speaking English.
Rabo to Kiko ko.
This you know it.
It's not good.
Not good.
It's Vu.
No, that is good. That is
know.
Masubu.
This is good. Ang ras ko kamat to mo kutista ka.
No, it's good.
En beto ko basu tu ni ko ka.
Good, huh? That's how we do it, people. Once they come back to the village,
This.
they cut it open.
This is matua.
Matua. This is matua.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mature. Okay, this one is good, huh?
Good.
Very good. And some of it is not fully matured.
Yeah.
The matured ones are the best though, but you can still eat it. Watch out for the nganga ones, the purples. But that's it, people. Until next time. Hey, taste man the one, Kuku. Taste man the one.
Good.
Good. Go, Kuku, you
Let me
taste.
taste.
Taste one. Taste.
Nice. Too nice. Nice.
Nice. Oh, good job. Good boy. You. Tangurus.
Good. Nice. Very good.
Very good. Snack, eh? Village snack, eh? Better than bong.
This is snacks. The grog.
Oi.
You grog it is.
Oh, chaser.
Cesa. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Kuku. Say goodbye, Kuku. Api, mother.
Vutu. Ode.